Hello there. Welcome. It's summer. It's July. It's summer. Yay! Yeah, it's very, very beautiful right now. In New England, it's very, very beautiful. The cold weather is completely gone. Now we are in warm season, summer. Um, Kids are off school. They're in vacation right now, and it's now beach time, pool time. So it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. You know. Thank you again for being here with me. My name is Coco or Colette, and thank you so much for being here today with me. I really appreciate every one of you for being with me in this journey. I appreciate it. And please share the video with anyone you know. Share it on your Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. Share. We are talking about the important things here, such as books and dating, and my own experiences I went through at church. That's where we still dealing with. So we are talking about really things that are matter to us in society, and how can we make the society a better place, for everyone, safe for children, safe for women. Yeah, so share please my videos with anyone you know. And remember, you know so we have it's summer now, so it's time to go to the beach, which means it's time for reading at the beach. So please remember, there is this book, a children book of I hope you can see the title, Lily and the Gift Planet Earth. Lily and the Gift Planet Earth. As I said, it's very, very beautiful book. I put all my really love in writing this book. I am the author, and the book is already on Amazon.com and BarnesandNoble.com. And good news, the book is now also on Target.com and Walmart.com, and other retailer. So please get a copy of this book. Your kids will learn a lot and will enjoy this book this summer. The kids will learn a lot about climate change or environment or global warming, because that's what I was talking about in here. How can we protect Mother Nature? How can we reduce our behavior, the interaction with the Mother Nature? Because really global warming is real, and it's already here destroying our planet. But we have the power to change our behavior, the way we interact with Mother Nature, and also we can change the situation that we are dealing with right now, of disaster all the time. And also some countries or some state, let's say here in America, some state they are dealing with water shortage, So all that really shows the sign of global warming. So it is up to us, human, not animal. I keep saying that, not animal, to change um, the course of global warming, but it is a human being only can do that, because animals don't know what they are doing, really, like to cut trees or anything. They don't even cut trees except maybe elephant can cut tree, but other than that, the other animals, they just really like enjoy being in the forest. But as human, we need to know that we are not supposed to cut trees anyhow if we don't need them, and also we need to plant more trees if we cut some of them. And also we need to know that water body need to be protected. We don't throw things in the water, and I spoke about that. We don't throw plastic bag or bottles in the rivers or in the oceans. um, so let's say right now it's summer. Our children and even everybody, all of us, in Western nations, we love to spend time, to the beach. And I spoke about that in here, in one of some pages, like over here. So it's very, very important being, at the beach, the oceans. So we need to protect our oceans, we need to protect our rivers. Otherwise we are not gonna have a drinking water if we don't protect our rivers. And also, Mother Nature doesn't care um, about like disasters. So Mother Nature was there before us and will always be here, even if we are destroyed, like things like a flood, or hurricane, all those disaster, always kill people and destroy, many things. But after that, Mother Nature is always there. So we have responsibility to protect our planet for the next generation, because as I said, no one lives here, forever. There is one generation after another, and we have a responsibility to protect this planet, this Mother Nature, to, to make sure the next generation has a place to live. So please, feel free today to get a copy of this book, and teach our children about the global warming and how can they interact with Mother Nature, how can they protect it, how can they interact with it, don't throw plastic bag everywhere, and don't throw bottles everywhere, and also to avoid, putting fires in the forest. So I spoke about so many things in here. So please, it's summer, get a copy of this book right now, and try to protect our planet, and let's enjoy the beach, let's enjoy the lake. I can't read anything for you if I don't wear my glasses, so I need to wear my glasses if I have to read something for you, you know. Yeah, you see, like the fire if we make a mistake, you know, like put fire in the forest, this is the damage that can cause. So let's do our best, please, to protect our planet, and let's do our best to give this, you know, perfect gift to our children, the next generation. So get a copy today for your children or your child, and I will appreciate your support as always. And there is also, I remember this book, Tell This to My Mother. Tell This to My Mother, and it comes also in French version. Tu le diras à ma mère. Tu le diras à ma mère. So these are the books, you know, you need this summer. This summer you need these books, and please go on Amazon.com, or you know, on Walmart.com, Target.com, ColetteWorldGroup.com, and PrésenceAfricaine.com. I'm going to put all those information below, and you can go on those websites and try to get a copy for yourself and your family. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for your support. It's summer. It's good time to read this book, and let our children learn something. Okay. Thank you, guys. I can't really appreciate it more than what I do. I'm so grateful for you. Thank you.